Let's take a tour in the largest 6 factories in the world, which occupies millions of square feet. The world's 6th largest plant is the Jean-Luc Lagardère plant in Toulouse-Blagnac, France. The manufacturing and testing of A380 planes take place here in a 1.3 million square foot facility. There are 49 acres of runway outside the plant. More than 50,000 tons of steel were used in the construction of this plant. Next is Belvidere Assembly Plant, Illinois. In this plant, Jeep Compass, Jeep Patriot, and Dodge Dart are produced. The plant is spread across 3.5 million square feet. The property occupies a total area of 280 acres. Next is Boeing Factory, Washington. With 4.2 million square feet, this is the world's largest building by volume at Everett, Washington. There are 19 restaurants and stores, a museum, theater, and 2.3 miles of pedestrian tunnels underneath the factory floor. This facility exists on a 100 acres area. Next is Tesla Gigafactory, Nevada. Tesla manufactures battery cells in a 13 million square feet facility. Tesla had collaborated with Panasonic to achieve zero energy in the battery making process. The world's 2nd largest factory is Hyundai Motor, Ulsan Factory in South Korea. About 14 different models are manufactured in 5 buildings, covering an area of 54 million square feet. Every 12 seconds, a new vehicle comes out. The plant has its own cargo ship pier and can host 3 50,000-ton cargo ships at a time. Top on the list is Volkswagen. The manufacturing plant occupies 70 million square feet of area. The surface area of the hall in the factory is nearly 1 square mile, which could accommodate the Principality of Monaco. This plant is in Wolfsburg, Germany. It produces 3,800 cars per day, and 815,000 vehicles annually. I hope you enjoyed the video. For more interesting videos, follow us.